Get it rolling. How many more we got? I think 2 more performances after this. Okay, what's your name? Tell me your name so we'll know.
Hey, it's Young Slimy 6B. I came all the way from Rocky Mount, North Carolina, man.
Hold on, what is it again?
Young Slimy 6B.
What's your name? Young Slime is his name on the list. Young Slimy and a lot of other stuff I can't remember. But Young Slimy is what I call. That's on the list. Young Slimy, I'm just trying to get for Gary G so he can know we old, so all the other stuff.
You can't forget the 6BF though. You can't forget the 6BF though. Young Slimy 6BF, number 15 on the list.
Yeah.
What we doing, South Carolina? I'm trying to catch me a vibe. I'm trying to catch me a vibe. It's not my kind. I'm trying to catch me a vibe. 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 Talk to him. I'm trying to catch me a vibe. See, I'm trying to catch me a vibe. See, I'm trying to catch me a vibe. I'm trying to catch me a vibe. Desire is easy, it's chill in my mind. I let my face slime. I swear that boy is not my kind. I think I be wasting on slime. Baby girl, why is you wasting my time? I don't really know about the diamond. See me in the dime. I swear that I'm tired. It's the big show. Let's go. Whole lot of muscle with TC to go. Ran off some rest, but dog got more. Jordan Foles with a black empty coat. Real deal PC and slut, let's go. When they on the dance, on the grass, on the low. Life move fast, I spin when it's slow. Blowing this shit like I can't get it more. Please ask the beat, so I'm up for show. He see Rose, tell her how many yo. Me hard off the porch, I got how with that pole. Slide. Hit slide that nigga. Wednesday night, till I come get up with you. Yeah. I can't fuck out to him, he'll pee up. Running this money on like it's a real blow. My team like I was a Dion. We gon' get close to this switch and kick you. This is I'm really official. Drop down trees, I'm blowing my pistol. She sucking my shit, call like a whistle. You too beneficial for niggas to dish. I spin me a bad baby, that ain't no issue. I vibe. Baby girl, just come catch your vibe. I'm trying to catch me a 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 vibe. See, I'm trying to catch me a vibe. I'm trying to catch me a vibe. Desire is easily still in my mind. I started my clean slime. I swear that boy is not my contact slack. Big got me busting on slime. Baby girl, why is you wasting your time? I already know about the diamond, see me a dime off. It's a big show, let's go. All out of muscle when CC the dough. Ran up some rats, but a dog got more. Jordan Foles with a black empty coat. Real nigga PC and slut, let's go. When they on the dance, I'm a grass on the low. Life move fast, I spin when it's slow. Slide.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him rich.
Like what you need. Yeah. Turn off. Like what you need. I don't run still rapping, blood still play the crib. I got plays pulling up, I got real deal beats that had a lot for 15. Brothers if you broke it down in 30 minutes, play 280 years still. If you selling gram for gram, ain't no cap up in my runs, that's my bitch, she help me try. He come from Nashville just to get these beats, don't ask me if I rap. I'm finally going up in my town, I got a name, I got a sound. That's what the city make it, I can see the hate. When I start running up, I see the look on niggas' face. Fuck when I get money and still getting booked for shows. Deals on my feet, I made a killing off this street. Drop and take my fans, go on, she for me, she don't give a fuck. On the road, we turn them up, but niggas ain't counting me out. Where the fuck you thought that I had fell off? Ain't shit changed, man. Blood, bro, pound down, run that shit down. Now I'm right back in the meat, bitch, I'm still popping in my time. Bitch, you cool with a scar. I'm a real nigga, addicted to that money. I ain't got no time to chill. Man, the hill great again, straight back on your face again. In my city, bitch, I'm going up, so you can't tell me shit. Niggas know my name for rapping now, so bitch, get on my dick. Company niggas still hate, company niggas still hate. That's how I feel. Why they fuck with this fuck? North Carolina, South Carolina winning. North Carolina shit,
Hey. Where you from?
From North Carolina, Rocky Mountain.
North Carolina, Rocky Mountain in the building, man. We appreciate everybody that's coming from far and wide. Every Wednesday we'll be doing this with Gary G. Letting artists perform. If you know you got a good enough aura about you and you driven enough, you never know what can happen. All right, so your girlfriend, she name?